Starting around the 19th of June 2023, Jasmy coin in every practical sense is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.68% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, which generally is very huge. JASMY really has a fundamentally complete market cap of $183,263,564 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $36,887,747, which basically is very critical. This basically makes Jasmy coin really positioning at 131 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Jasmy coin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Jasmy coin essentially be certainly worth in 2023, or so they generally thought. Is Jasmy coin a genuinely wise venture or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023, which by and large is very huge? Will JASMY value sort of outperform its untouched especially high in an unobtrusive manner? These basically are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for JASMY's future and in an every way that really matters, huge way. Jasmy coin value expectation 2023 as per the Jasmy coin estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the JASMY cost in every practical sense is supposed to cross in every way that really matters. Normal value level of $0. The normal truly least value worth of Jasmy coin toward the finish of the extremely current year ought to in a real sense be $0 in unpretentious manner. Besides, JASMY can explicitly arrive at an exceptionally most extreme value level of $0 a very significant manner. Jasmy coin value expectation June 2023. Jasmy coin cost truly is supposed to really reach between $0 June 2023 while the typical cost of JASMY for the June basically remains around $0 value conjecture July 2023. The sort of normal cost of Jasmy coin could for the most part go to $0 the finish of July 2023, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. JASMY could truly be exchanging around a sort of greatest worth of $0, the genuinely least expected cost of $0. Jasmy coin value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Jasmy coin for the most part is supposed to truly be at around a truly least of $0, which in every practical sense is very critical. Jasmy coin cost can arrive at an extremely limit of $0, the truly normal cost of $0 USD. By and large, further appearance how Jasmy coin cost can truly arrive at a truly limit of $0, the very normal cost of $0 USD in an unpretentious way. JASMY value estimate September 2023. The Jasmy coin figure for September 2023 expects that the JASMY may arrive at an exceptionally most extreme worth of $0, a truly least cost of around $0. Truly further appearance how Jasmy coin cost can by and large arrive at a very limit of $0, the really normal cost of $0 USD. Kind of additional appearance how Jasmy coin cost can truly arrive at a genuinely limit of $0, the extremely normal cost of $0 USD in a truly significant way. Discussing the especially normal value JASMY can sort of stretch around $0 September in a for the most part huge manner. JASMY value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Jasmy coin in a real sense is determined to sort of be at around an essentially least worth of $0 in unpretentious manner. The Jasmy coin value worth can for the most part arrive at a very limit of $0, the typical exchanging worth of $0 USD in an especially significant way. JASMY value gauge November 2023. The Jasmy coin conjecture for November 2023 expects that the JASMY might arrive at an exceptionally greatest worth of $0, a base cost of around $0, or so they especially thought. Discussing the genuinely normal value JASMY can generally stretch around $0 November, showing the way that JASMY could generally be exchanging around an essentially most extreme worth of $0, the exceptionally least expected cost of $0. Jasmy coin cost expectation December 2023. Jasmy coin cost truly is supposed to for the most part reach between $0 December 2023 while the really normal cost of JASMY for the December certainly remains around $0 by and large past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Jasmy coin's cost generally has shown a fundamentally decent increment of 2.34% in the very most recent 24 hours, exhibiting how Jasmy coin cost forecast December 2023. Jasmy coin cost truly is supposed to essentially reach between $0 December 2023 while the fundamentally normal cost of JASMY for the December in every practical sense stays around $0 past cost investigation with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Jasmy coin's cost in a real sense has shown a decent increment of 2.34% in the sort of most recent 24 hours, which generally is very critical. For most recent 7 days, the JASMY sort of was in fundamentally great vertical pattern and expanded by 11.34%, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin most certainly has shown exceptionally short areas of strength for of all goals and purposes potential of late. And this could be by and large great chance to dive right in and contribute, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of JASMY certainly diminished by 44.017%, taking out an astounding really normal amount of $0 its certainly current worth in a truly significant manner. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can explicitly be a sort of great generally purchase a potential open door for fast venture, which truly is very critical. The 90 days cost change explicitly is near 26.74%, and the cost fundamentally coursed from a base commonly normal cost of $0 for the most part greatest certainly normal cost of $0 the by and large beyond 90 days, which by and large is very huge. In very most recent 4 months, Jasmy coin certainly has shown a developing pattern in a kind of significant manner. In this manner, we in a real sense feel that comparative pieces of the market basically were very famous at that period, exhibiting how in certainly most recent 4 months Jasmy coin generally has shown a developing pattern, which sort of is genuinely huge. As per the essentially the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Jasmy coin especially is expanded from 4 months in a significant manner. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. The coin generally is up by 6.16% with the essentially most extreme in every practical sense. Normal cost of the coin all things considered was around $0 the very least in every way that really matters. Normal cost of all things considered was around $0 certainly beyond 4 months, which is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin value estimate 2023 FAQs what will explicitly be Jasmy coin all things considered worth in 2023 in an especially significant way. The JASMY value sort of is guanched to arrive at a by and large most extreme degree of $0 genuinely least cost of $0 the finish of 2023. Pretty further appearance how JASMY value figure November 2023. The Jasmy coin gauge for November 2023 expects that the JASMY may in every practical sense arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0 a truly least cost of around $0 in an unobtrusive manner. Does Jasmy coin in a real sense have a future in a sort of huge manner? As far as value, Jasmy coin in a real sense has an extraordinary most certainly potential to arrive at new levels in an unobtrusive manner basically. That in every practical sense is figure that JASMY will increment in esteem, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking, as per essentially unambiguous specialists and business examiners. Jasmy coin can in a real sense hit the actually the most exorbitant cost of 2 cents till 2030 in an unobtrusive manner. Is Jasmy coin extremely worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they for the most part thought. Jasmy